Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable presentation settings in Windows. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, excluding Windows 10 Home Edition, because we're going to be going through the local group policy editor for this. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just click on the Start button one time. Type in Group Policy. This match should come back to Edit Group Policy. Left click on that. Now you want to expand the computer configuration section, which should already be expanded. And then double click or left click a little arrow next to Administrative Templates. Do the same thing now for Windows Components. And now you want to go down to Presentation Settings. Right here. On the right side there should be something that says Turn off Windows Presentation Settings. So go ahead and double click on that. If you want to allow Windows presentation settings, you either want to select disabled or not configured. But since we want to turn off Windows presentation settings, we're going to enable this. And if you read through some of this help information here, it says if you enable this policy setting, Windows presentation settings cannot be invoked. Go ahead and left click on apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.